guys, Queen of Hearts 77 here. Um, Someone requested for me to do more burp videos, so I decided to do burp video slash mukbang video with food. Um, I have some Dr. Pepper, I have some chocolate covered raisins, I have some asada fries, Sprite, Pepsi, and a carnitas burrito supreme. So I'm gonna get started. Excuse me. And the food I got tonight is from Maria's Taco Shop. Normally I add my sauce and pico de gallo in there, give it some spice. I love spicy food. So I'm new to YouTube. So give me comments. Tell me what you don't like. Tell me what you want me to do different or what you don't want me to do. And on this one, I'm not going to use my fork. And let's actually open the Sprite first. I'll open the Pepsi. Good. Let's try some asada fries. Add the chili. Always gotta have the chili. Normally I put jalapenos, but I forgot to get them. Pico de gallo. It's actually my first time having asada fries. Normally I'm a nachos person. I thought I'd try something different. Actually, not bad. I am a fan of the burrito more though. I'm gonna focus on the burrito more. And maybe a couple dark chocolate covered raisins are good for you. I'm a fan of pork meat more than asada, so my burritos carnitas. And my all-time favorite soda is Wild Cherry Pepsi. Today we just have Pepsi because they were out at 7-Eleven, but I can take down a Wild Cherry Pepsi 2-liter like nothing. That was a tiny one. Alrighty guys, well, I think I'm done for the night. I'll be back. Thank you. Have a good night.